So there's a few credit cards that you can use immediately. So you got the American Express credit card, the Blue Cash preferred card, you can use that immediately. If you guys have an Amazon credit card, you can use that immediately. Also the upgrade credit card, you can use that immediately. Some credit cards will actually allow you to use your credit card immediately too, if you have it attached to like your Apple Pay. If you guys have it attached to Apple Pay, then you guys can be able to use your credit card immediately once you get approved for it. Now, a lot of credit cards out there usually is not going to allow you to use your credit card immediately. You'll have to wait to it actually comes in the mail. But I like the Amazon because you can use that right away for whatever you're purchasing. That upgrade, you guys will be able to use that right away. Let me see a few of them. If you guys have the Apple card, you guys can be able to use your Apple card right away because you're going to have it in Apple Pay. That's what I like to use. When I'm using my credit card, I like to use my digital wallet. And the digital wallet, you guys, y'all better be in the future now. Like the digital wallet is going to be very serious because when it come down to the digital wallet, that's when we're going to see everything just where you know how you're not using a lot of people not using cash like they used to. We went to like our cards. We're going to get to the point where we're not even using cards, you guys. Everything is going to be on our phone. So that's why I really want to make sure everybody. Oh, that is crazy. I tapped it in it. Actually vibrated. I don't know what that meant. Maybe no, I couldn't have pressed the button. But that's why I want everybody to clean up their names, because if you guys have things on your name, when we go to the point where it's completely digital, I'm just afraid that we're not going to be able to clean those things up no more. Now it's to the point where, yeah, if you got something on your credit reports, you can possibly get that removed from your credit reports. But once these different things get in the blockchain, like it's stuck there. It's up somewhere and it's stuck. Like you're not going to be able to get those different things out. So make sure you guys, let's make sure that we're learning about credit and we're not messing up our names, because we may already have stuff on the blockchain and we don't know, like this is law. We don't know, they could have already been doing that. And I'm going to do some more research on that and see what information is already out there that you can't change. Like I remember I had to do something where I had to verify my face, take a picture of my ID. Like I don't know if they put that in some type of blockchain where it's permanent, but I gave my face, and the point that I gave my face, like, is that you're gonna use that as my ID now, or um it's different. So make sure you guys stay on top of technology. Make sure your name is clean. I can't stress that enough.